In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify theme colors. To do this, just go and open up Shopify and go to your online store right here and click Customize. Then here, what you want to do is click on the gear icon, which says Theme Settings, and go to Colors. From here, you can set up different schemes that you can use throughout your website. So you can also add one yourself and just customize it. For example, if I want to use this one, then after creating the scheme you want to use, go through your website and go to whichever section you want to change. For example, I'll go with the email sign up banner right here. And in order to then change it, go to color scheme and just select the scheme that you want. So there's nowhere where you can do this for your entire website at once, but you can just go through the sections and change the themes to whatever you want to change them to. Now you can also have multiple themes, and if you just want to change a color for something, you can also click on it and just change the color itself. But as you can see, this is how you can change your theme color on Shopify. So you just want to go through your pages, and then on each section that you want to change, go and set the color scheme to the one you want to set it to. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.